Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to customize Codeium suggestions. Tailoring these suggestions to your preferences can enhance your coding efficiency and ensure that Codeium fits seamlessly into your workflow. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorials on how to set up Codeium. Now open your code editor and navigate to the Codeium extension settings. In VS Code, you can do this by selecting on the extensions icon on the sidebar, finding the Codeium extension and selecting on the gear icon next to it. In the settings menu, you will find various options to customize Codeium suggestions. So let's get through some of the key settings. First, you can adjust the number of suggestions Codeium provides. You might prefer seeing more or fewer options depending on your coding style. Look for the settings related to number of suggestions and choose the value that suits you best. You can also configure how Codeium triggers suggestions. For example, you can set it to provide suggestions after a specific number of keystrokes or when certain characters are typed. This can help you get suggestions at the right moments during your coding. Another important setting is suggestion filtering. Here you can choose to filter out certain types of suggestions based on your preferences or project requirements. This helps in focusing on relevant code completions. Codeium also allows you to customize language-specific settings. If you work with multiple programming languages, you can adjust the suggestion behavior for each language individually. Additionally, you can manage your documentation suggestions to control how much inline documentation Codeium provides with its suggestions. This can be useful for getting more context or reducing clutter in your editor. After making your adjustments, make sure to save your changes. Most editors will automatically apply the new settings, but it's always good to double check. And that's it. You have successfully customized Codeium suggestions to better fit your coding experiences. This will help you write code more efficiently and make the most out of Codeium's AI-powered features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.